What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Chef Fellow, back with another banging video today, you guys. Today video, what are we doing today? We're doing corn dogs. And our corn dogs are made out of rocks. Alright? So thanks for tuning in with your boy Chef Fellow today. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video. New Year's Day, it was banging, the food was great, the black eyed peas was lucky to me. So, everything was good. But what we're doing today, we're going to take one of these skewers. What I have on here, I have some hot brocks. I have some Italian hot brocks. We're going to just slide that boy right there on that skewer right there. And what we're going to do with these brocks, we're going to bake them first. And then we're going to fry them right in this pan. Okay? So, we're going to stir these up. We're going to do 5 brocks. So, how everybody New Year's went. I hope everybody New Year's was good, safe. Nobody didn't lose no fingers or nothing. We're dealing with fireworks. Like my neighbor down the street. Bloom! I got a neighbor down the street. I'm going to say no names back. They deal with dynamite. Dynamite! But, they okay. They okay. So we got 5 brocks here. We got the Johnsonville brocks, Italian. So Johnsonville Italian hot brocks. I'm going to put these boys right here on this skewer. We're going to bake these boys in the oven. And then we're going to go old school. We can use yellow cornmeal. Or you can use Jiffy Mix. I'm using Jiffy Mix today. And what we're going to do, we're going to deep fry these brocks after we bake these boys. I'll see you guys in a minute. Chef Fellow, this show is going to be banging. I'll be right back. So you guys, check this out. I'm going to put these boys, look at them. I'm going to put these boys in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. Bam! Then, meantime, we got old school here, y'all. Jiffy Mix. We're going to use them for corn dogs. So what I'm going to do, bam, cut this off. I'm going to drop them in my nice bowl here. Then I got one more. I want that kind of texture, kind of cakey. You know, you guys ever had those breakfast corn dogs, blueberry? Ooh, they good. Back, we're gonna use either ketchup, mustard, or we're gonna use some duck sauce to get these boys in. So, I'm putting 2 boxes of Jiffy Mix in here. All right. All right. These eggs here, golden brown eggs, you use gold and you use white. But these eggs here, I got these eggs from my cousin. My cousin got chickens over there, man. Got chickens over there like rats, just running around. You know what I mean? Got all kind of eggs, man. So he said, "Cuz, come get some eggs." Got you, Bo. I'm coming through. I got you. So my wife is like, "Oh, you eat those eggs. I like these eggs. What's wrong with these?" This is natural. This is what you need right from him. Even the legs and the thighs too, you know, the wings. So I like the eggs. Golden eggs. Put 2 in here. Bam. Bam. We got a thing of milk going in. Then she say, "Well, how you know if Kappa oil going in?" Well, how you know, you might open one and the little chicken come out. Well, you come out, to your mama, Anyway, we're going to stir. So we got our oil, our milk, and we're making our batter for our corn dogs. Alright? Want a nice, making a mess. Nice and thick. Whip it. That's alright. I just have to sweep them up. You know what I mean? I'm a clean man. I love to be clean, organized, and stay ahead. If I got to do something, I got to do it. Get it done. Oop. Nope, we don't want that. So, we got our batter. Getting this batter all whipped up. Depends what type of corn dogs I'm making. I'm making breakfast. I'll put a little honey in there. I even, those little kisses, Hershey's Kisses. Put those in there. Whip it up. Put your dog in there. Deep fry. Normally I would deep fry my fryer. It's damp. So I'm going to do it right country style, right on the stove. I just keep it straight real. I'm going to drop it right here in this skillet and let it fry. You know what I mean? So, we're going to whip this up. We're going to get this cleaned up. Trash up. A little bit more milk. That's okay. I don't want to waste nothing. See, this is my little military cup. Swear I'm a soldier. I'll be right back. Thanks for tuning in with your boy Chef Bello. This video is going to be banging. And today we making bratwursts. We're making them into corn dogs. Be right back. So you guys, check this out. Yeah! So check this out. Look at these boys. Just took our brats out. Look at that. Just took these boys out. We're going to let these dry for a second. And then in the meantime, let me turn that down. I can't tell you guys what's in here. Turn that down. But we're going to let our grease start to get heated up. Over here, what we got? Let those brats cool down. We got our cornmeal over here. Batter. Alright. We're going to slide that over here in our pan. Woo! Get it all. We'll get it all out this bowl. So, let's empty this bowl. Make sure everything is out. Alright. Wash that up. While our brats cooling down, our grease is heating up. We're going to get ready to dip these boys inside our batter. We're going to fry these boys. Thanks for tuning in. With your boy Chef Bello. I'll be right back. BAM! So you guys, what we're going to do, take one of these brats, chop that down, and put it into my cornmeal over here. Just going to roll it in there, just like that. Get it nicely in there. That's how I want it. Matter of fact, let me wipe my hands for a second. Let me get that here. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna get this. So you guys, I'm down to 2, working on. These are homemade corn dogs. And that's what happens. They fall apart. But they homemade! Today has been rough. one of those off days. But I'm banging though. Hey you guys, check this out. I ain't gonna lie. I hate this show. You know why? I messed up on my corn dogs. These are Brock's corn dogs. But I'm off today. That's okay. They're good. But I forgot to add my flour. Woo! Alright. Woo! What I got here is some mustard. Man. Today I'm off. I'm not going to turn out. So, my batter didn't stick. I'm going to add my flour. That's okay. Anybody tuning in today where we was trying to make corn dog brats. But you know what? We're going to do it next time different. Tomorrow. Y'all want me to tell y'all? I can't tell you. Can't tell you. So, thanks for tuning in. You guys like this sad video, please go to my channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And always hit that bell. Hit the bell. Love everybody. Oh, look at those sad dogs.